Here we have the Apex digital converter box hooked up to the 2002 Saniel television. We are running it lovely S video, and that's where that last part kind of didn't sound so great. Here's the wings and fish hut. Oh. Score. We caught it. Don't tell me my brother's gonna come up in here and ruin the video.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastland, Stevens, and Palo Pinto counties until 7:45. This storm also has produced at least one confirmed tornado.
Ooh.
This storm is near the town of Gunsight, 5 miles northwest of Eastland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The storm may also contain hail to the size of baseballs. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevens, Palo Pinto, Jack, and Wise counties until 7:45. The storm has produced a tornado previously. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
This will be your last week on Earth.
That was kind of creepy.